Make aesthetic notes on your iPad. How to start digital planning for free.
And I can put you in. I can put you in.
You know why I feel like I'm stuck in life? It's because I ain't got an iPad. Like, no, I cracked the code. That's the reason. Like, every time I see somebody who's life together or is at peace in life, they have an iPad. I don't have one. That's why, like I don't know what's the science behind it, but I feel like if I get an iPad, my life.
Okay, well, that's you. But on the other hand, me? Oh, I'm gonna turn up.
The difference is only in the design. Each bundle has the same templates.
도예가 e스포츠 농구하다 기도하다 농구 장, 과장, 공부, 소예가 농장치는 딸들, 아버지와 그의 두 딸들.
Here's how to get this free 2022 digital planner. Tap on the link in my bio, tap on free digital planner, select your planner options, tap on the download link, then share or import the planner into your app. Follow along for more freebies and share with your planner friends. So this app is GoodNotes, and I'm using my digital planner, which is basically a PDF file that has hyperlinks that allow you to quickly jump to a particular page. Using the Apple Pencil, you can write on the page, highlight, add stickers and photos. It's my favorite app on the iPad, and if you want to learn more about digital planning, check out the video in my bio link. I am so excited. GoodNotes just published their 2022 Best Digital Planners blog article, and our planners are on it. I'm so happy to be recommended by GoodNotes, and I'm so grateful for everyone's support.
How to start digital planning in 2022.
Hey guys, I want to share a new notebook that I just created. So there's 8 covers that I designed, which include my own photography to give it a bit more life to it. For the planning pages, I want it to be something fun and useful that I myself would use, especially since I've started learning Korean. My favorite is probably the book tracking page. You can rearrange with these 12 hyperlink section dividers. And there are blanks, dotted, line, and grid pages. Each of them comes with 10 different designs so that you don't get easily bored when writing. As a language learner myself, I included some vocabulary pages and creative pages. So that's all. Do check it out if you're interested. The link will be in my bio. Bye!
넌 남이 되고 오히려 더 좋아 보여